So I was at work and it was lunchtime, and we had this discussion about the weather apps. Obviously, it was on people's mind because everyone was sweating because of the heat wave, and we were getting all these notifications about danger to life and red, and you could die on Monday because of the heat wave. And do you switch off the notifications? And someone said, yeah, switch them off. You can't deal with this shit. There's nothing you can do. And someone else also said switch them off because they're not accurate. And you know, and I said, well, what about global warming? And they said, yeah, but well, no one's saying there isn't global warming, but they get it wrong sometimes, and it might be the app. It might, a lot of these, they want clicks because you go on the weather app and you get an advert for shoes, and then they tell you the weather. So maybe his view was that they over egg it a bit and tell you that there's going to be a storm and there isn't. Or a wind, a hurricane, and it's 12 miles an hour. Anyway, I took this middle ground and tried to be sensible and just said, look, put them on silent and then you look at them once a day, the notifications. But, you know, everyone had a view. Someone said they want to know, and they don't care about, they want to know if they're going to get flooded out, basically. And I must admit, I do feel like that. I do check, and I do get stressed, and everyone's getting stressed. We've got enough shit to deal with in the news every day, and now we've got something else, because obviously the weather app is not becoming trendy, but it's going to get used more and more, and it's probably, in the end, that's all there's going to be left, because with the weather. So it's a tricky one, and no one really had well, then that was it, really. Cheers.